Imagine waiting a decade for a glimpse of something truly special. In the heart of Malaysia, that wait is finally over. A Eurasian otter, thought to be absent for 10 long years, has reappeared. This incredible creature's return to the Tangkulap Forest Reserve is a monumental event. This rare sighting offers immense hope to conservationists worldwide. The Eurasian otter, once critically endangered in many regions, is a vital indicator of healthy aquatic ecosystems. For years, its presence in Malaysia was uncertain, a ghost in the waterways. What makes this discovery even more remarkable is that this otter now shares its home. It coexists with 3 other otter species, showcasing an incredibly diverse and thriving habitat. This unique cohabitation highlights the delicate balance and richness of nature when given a chance to recover. This sighting isn't just a lucky break, it's a powerful testament to dedicated conservation efforts. It proves that focused restoration and protection can bring species back from the brink. Every protected habitat and every clean river contributes to these incredible victories for wildlife. This remarkable comeback inspires us all to continue supporting wildlife protection. Let's celebrate this win for nature and recognize the impact of collective action. If you're as thrilled as we are by this story, please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content.